Hey everyone, so I am doing the math lesson for Tuesday, April 21st. It's the shortest and longest T-chart. So I'm going to show you different ways that you can do it if you do have a printer, if you don't have a printer, okay? Um, Everyone can do it. It's really easy. You basically just need a piece of paper, some scissors, maybe a glue stick or tape, whatever you have at your house. So I'm going to show you different ways that you can make it work, okay? The most important thing about this to know is we want you to be able to tell us what is shorter, what is longer, okay? In kindergarten, we don't have to actually use a ruler and measure. We just have to be able to use the vocabulary, shorter, longer, or equal to. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so if you do have a printer, this is what the paper looks like. I got this online from Kindergarten Craze, I think. And so it's basically just a T-chart. You can write your name. The way we start is always the same. We pick up our pencil, we write our name. So you can write your name, okay? The directions tell you right here what to do. Compare strips of paper in the same color to decide which one is longer and which one is shorter, and then glue it. Now, if you don't have glue, that's okay. For whatever reason, Miss Yurick cannot find glue in her house, so I'm going to use tape. Olaf says hi. So if you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can just take a piece of paper, whatever color you have, and you can just draw your own T-chart, okay? Just like this. Literally, a T-chart just means a T, okay? And then on one side, you can write shorter, and on the other side, you can write longer, okay? And if they're equal, you could even make another part of the chart for that, okay? Or you can put them on the back. You could sort those two if you wanted to, okay? But today we're just focusing on shorter and longer, okay? So you can either use your own piece of paper or the piece of paper that I sent you, okay? Now, whichever T-chart you have, okay? Now you're going to get whatever color. You can use white, you can color it, whatever you have, okay? Oh, Olaf. And what you're going to do is you're going to make little strips, okay? I would do probably maybe 5, just strips like this, okay? And then have the kids, I'll do 3, you can, 4, I'll do 5 since I told you 5, okay? You can do different colors, you can do the same colors, okay? It's just really up to you. I'm doing the same. Now, have the kids take their piece of paper and then just cut wherever they want, okay? Then there's 2 different pieces now, okay? So talk to them about it. Which one's longer, which one's shorter, okay? Then on the T-chart, I'm going to glue or tape, okay? On this side, you're going to put the one shorter. On the other side, you're going to put the one that is longer. Okay? Now, make sure that these pieces are across from each other. That way you can compare. That's what we have to be able to do in kindergarten. We have to be able to compare 2 different objects, okay? We call it non-standard measuring, okay? We're not using a ruler, we're not using inches, we're not using centimeters, we're just comparing which is shorter, which is longer, or if they're equal, okay? Right now we're doing shorter and longer, okay? Then you can do it again. Get another piece of paper, wherever you want, okay? And then compare and decide which side does it go on, which one is shorter, which one is longer, okay? You can show them, like putting them next to each other. This is where we start. We make sure that they have the same starting point when we compare, okay? I'm not going to compare like this. That doesn't give me good data. I'm going to put them right next to each other and compare. I can do it horizontal. I can do it vertical, okay? Either way, I'm comparing which one is longer, which one is shorter, okay? And then I would take those across from each other and do the same thing in tape. All right. So that's measuring, okay? Like I said, you don't have to be able to do inches or centimeters or anything like that. If you want to if you have them at your house and you want to bring them out and show them how to do that, you can, as an extension, okay? The rest of the week we're going to be talking about weight. So I'll have more stuff to do, some more lessons to do for weight. And then on Friday, we're going to do capacity, which is a really fun um, activity to do. So I'll show you that. I'll see you on Zoom. Work really hard for your moms and dads and your families for me. I miss you.